I'm Hudson, and I'm gonna show you some of my trashies. My first one is my red boot. My second one is my stinky cheese. Then I have a bottle thing. Then I have this thing. I can't remember what he's called. Then I have this. Can't remember what he's called either. Then I have the gray Scum Gum. Then I have the orange pig thing. Then I have the yellow pizza. Then I have two colored dogs, a yellow one and a blue one. Then I have the stale bread green one. Then I have the purple boot, like the red one, like my first one I showed, but it's purple. Then I have the, I don't know what he's called. Then I have a worm thing. Then I have, can't remember what he's called either. I could check my memories. And then I have the purple corn. Then I have the bug thing. I don't know what Then I have this guy. I don't remember what this guy's called either. See. Then my last but not least, my glow-in-the-dark. My glow-in-the-dark bug thing. Bye. Those are all my trashies. Bye.